that is how you need to handle corner. It's not going to come very easy. It's not going to be a very fluid, very smooth journey or relationship or union, you know. Connor needs a female figure right now in his life, or his twin, to be have a very strong feminine energy, a very strong, strengthful, that soul level inner strength, where you treat a mature guy just like a child, and you show a lot of inner strength, more than Connor will show, that is what I mean. So that's what I'm being shown. I'm also being shown that in the future you'll go into hermit like state, where you'll do a lot of inner work, inner shadow work. You will look within, and anything that you do to look within or do inner shadow work, that's going to affect Connor, because anything one twin does affects the other. So I'm being shown that soon you're going to go into that inner work, shadow work stage, and you're also going to start creating on your own, deliberately creating on your own, and you're going to deliberately start creating whatever life you want on your own, using the law of attraction. You're going to start doing that. And I see that again, like I'm being shown like childlike energy, childlike energy meaning a little immature. Both of you are a little immature, but Connor is going to come forward, with a cup of love, lot of emotions, and you're going to have a happy family life ultimately, and I'm going to show you the cards now so that you have an idea, and then I'm going to go into the advice cards after I show you the initial cards that I just spoke about. So, wedding, children, let your friends help you, passion, true love, trust, playfulness, chemistry, make the effort, you deserve love, healing family issues, forgiving and learning, pay attention to the red flags, express your love, heart-to-heart conversations, let go of control issues, keep an open mind. Now, the future deck that I did for you, the Emperor, where I told that, Connor has a slightly authoritative, dominating strength, which is you. You have to show a lot of strength. Hermit-like state that you'll be going into. Magician, deliberate creating. The Page of Cups, you and Connor. This is you and Connor's energy, the Page of Cups, and it's going to come, you are going to come forward. Both of you are going to come forward. A happy home. Look at this card. Look at both these cards. Give a good look to both of these cards, Shiarna. I think I've answered all your questions with both these cards. And then now I'm going to go into the advice cards, Shiarna. And the advice is mainly regarding how to maintain your vibration and your thoughts regarding this journey, because everything is energy, So the first card that I got for you, Shiarna, is I have the ability to direct my own thoughts. I have the ability to direct my own thoughts. You have the option of observing things as they are, or of imagining them as you want them to be. And whichever option you choose, your thoughts produce a vibration within you that equals your point of attraction. And then circumstances and events line up to match the vibrations that you have offered, Shiarna. The second advice card is an empty feeling is telling me something important. A negative feeling indicates that your current choice of thoughts is so out of harmony with the source energy that you are disallowing your full connection to the energy stream. You could say that your fuel tank is approaching empty. Your emotions do not create, but they do indicate what you are currently attracting. Your third card is, life is always in motion, so I cannot be stuck. It is not possible to stand still or be stuck. because energy and therefore life is always in motion. Things are always changing. The reason it may feel to you as if you are stuck is because while you are continuing to think the same thoughts, things are changing. But they are changing to the same thing over and over, Shiana, because you are thinking the same thoughts again and again, the same negative thoughts again and again. I get what I think. I get what I think about, wanted or not. It makes no difference whether you want the specifics of it or not. It is the vibrational essence of the subject of your attention that is being attracted. That which you really, really want, you get. And that which you really, really do not want, you get. So there are no no's for the universe, Shiana. So always remember that try to think of the things that you actually want and try to let how you feel or your emotions be the guide here. I think you also got the magician card, and I think you have a lot of lessons to learn regarding deliberate creation, and I think your negative thoughts are thwarting your twin flame journey, and you need to work on your thoughts and your vibration, like I explained in this whole reading how to do that. And again, there is no looking behind with these cards.